let's talk about the cordless portfolio. We'll go right into products.
Yeah.
So I have the three that you wanted me to announce. So the first one we're going to talk about is CellClutch.
Yeah, so I think even before we get into the individual, I'd like to just say kind of what our thought process was,
Okay.
4 or 5 years ago, because when we thought about this portfolio, we weren't thinking individually on CellClutch, CellTech, CellCore. We thought, we wanted to have a portfolio that covered everything and go after specific markets, right, in specific regions and things like that. So, we wanted, if you think of it in the simplest form, it's kind of a good, better, best, right?
Okay.
Now, for us, how we classify stuff is we classify it as functional joints or non-critical joints, quality critical joints, right? And then the very most important, the safety critical joints.
Okay.
So what we say good, better, best, but what we wanted to do is really go after each one of those categories, application categories, right? And then, with CellCore was more of a aim for general industry outside of automotive. I mean, we have business in automotive too, but that was kind of the goal, was to go after that. So, with all that being said, CellClutch is our newest tool. It is a clutch tool, if you can guess.
Let's talk about that. What is a clutch tool for those that are watching that don't know what it is?
So, a clutch tool is basically it's a mechanical tool, right? The torque is measured. It's not measured really. The torque is controlled mechanically. So what happens is, there's a spring that's loading a clutch, and once the torque on that clutch, is greater than the basically the holding force, it slips. Okay. So when it slips, the tool detects that, and then shuts off the motor. It signals it to quit running.
So basically, when you're driving a nut or a bolt,
Right.
when it hits that certain torque or resistance, it stops.
Yeah.
It will not continue pushing it in. Unlike my dad's drills that for drywall, and you put a wood nail right through.
You drive it as
Just
as you
keep
wanna go,
going,
yeah.
drive it to China.
But if you think about that, though, that's a good point to make, though. If you think about that, the mechanism is similar, right? Now, the tools you buy at some of the big box stores, the accuracy on those is nowhere even close, right?
I know that from experience.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The accuracy on these guys is very, very good. But the difference is there's a sensor in here that detects that clutch slipping, and that's what shuts it off.
Okay.
So it signals to the operator that it's good to go.
Perfect.